Is your Apple CarPlay not working in your car? Well, here are 5 quick fixes to get you up and running. And welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked. Wait till the end, because if we get you back and running, we deserve a thumbs up. Obviously, this is a no-brainer, guys, but your first quick solution should be restarting your iPhone. Typically, restarting your iPhone is going to fix any common glitches. Now, we're mainly referring to wireless Apple CarPlay here, but if you're using wired, a quick little bonus tip is make sure your cord is compatible. A lot of little dollar store cords or gas station cords are not going to work. You need a cord with maybe a USB on it here, preferably the cord that came with your phone if you're using wired. Now, if you've restarted your phone and that's still not working, make sure there are no other phones paired to your vehicle. Plug in your phone or connect your phone. It prompts you right on the screen if you want to use Apple CarPlay or disable Apple CarPlay. And often if you hit this disable the first time, it's never going to prompt you again. So that is another one. If you've done that, go settings on your iPhone and you are going to go to general and you're going to just search for CarPlay. There it is, CarPlay. You just want to make sure that it's enabled for CarPlay. That's another big thing with iPhones. Now, if that doesn't work, I would recommend you do a factory reset on your car's screen. So here in this vehicle, I can just go into the settings, return to factory settings on this vehicle. I can erase all settings and personal data. It's gonna wipe everything off so you can start fresh and then go through the connection of the Bluetooth and connection process, or just plug your phone in. If you're still not up and running, it could be from your Siri. So Siri is required for Apple CarPlay. So you want to go into your settings and make sure your Siri is enabled in your settings. And it is enabled. So that is another tip. Make sure your Siri is enabled. If we've helped you here today, give us a thumbs up. But that's 5 quick fixes to help you get your Apple CarPlay back up and running. Thank you for watching.